Hey traders, welcome back to Wealth Nexus, your go-to source for daily swing trading, stock research and market analysis for options trading. Today's date is 27th May 2024. Let's dive into tomorrow's top swing trading and option trading opportunities. हमारे कल के वीडियो में हमने चर्चा की कि ऑप्शन चेन डेटा का विश्लेषण करके मिड कैप निफ्टी को 11,400 पर मजबूत समर्थन और 11,500 पर मजबूत प्रतिरोध प्राप्त हुआ है. Today morning, we can see that in the first two candles in the 5 minutes chart, mid-cap Nifty broke the 11,500 level significantly. और उसके बाद से कॉल साइड ओपन इंटरेस्ट हर मिनट कम होता गया और हमने ऊपर की ओर एक बड़ी रैली देखी. यह उन लोगों के लिए बहुत आसान ट्रेड था जो ऑप्शन चेन को अच्छी तरह समझते हैं और अच्छी मात्रा में लाभ कमा चुके हैं. Coming to the Nifty 50 chart, we can see it was volatile at its best. तकनीकी रूप से बात करें तो निफ्टी 50 11:30 बजे तक 23,000 के स्तर को तोड़ने की कोशिश करते हुए 22,950 से 23,000 के स्तर पर समेकित हो रहा था. उसके बाद हम इसे 23,000 के स्तर को तोड़ते हुए और अपने सर्वकालिक उच्च 23,100 पर पहुंचते हुए देख सकते हैं. But as expected, it faced a strong resistance and the bears dragged it back to the 22,950 level. दैनिक चार्ट में यह अपने 20 और 50 EMA स्तर से काफी ऊपर है. RSI 66 है जो सूचकांक में मजबूती दर्शाता है. इसलिए निफ्टी 50 का मध्यम अवधि दृष्टिकोण मजबूत तेजी वाला है. But in the 15 minutes chart, it is below of both 20 and 50 EMA levels. The RSI is at 20. Also, there is bearish crossover at MACD. So until and unless there is strong bullish momentum in tomorrow morning, Nifty 50 might show some weakness tomorrow. Tomorrow is FinNifty weekly expiry. Today, it touched its all-time high of 22,100 and from there bears dragged it back to 21,960 levels. The 15 minutes chart shows a negative sentiment. यह 20 EMA स्तर से नीचे आ गया है और MACD ने मंदी का क्रॉसओवर दिया है. ऑप्शन चेन डेटा में हम देख सकते हैं कि 22,000 कॉल और पुट दोनों पक्षों में मजबूत रुचि है. कल सुबह हमें सबसे पहले 22,000 के स्तर पर ओपन इंटरेस्ट के लाभ को देखना होगा. To be more clear, if there is significant increase in open interest in the call side of 22,000 levels, we shall see major decrease in open interest in put side. So in that case, the FinNifty shall slide below. Similarly, if there is significant increase in open interest in the put side of 22,000 levels, we shall see major decrease in open interest in call side and the FinNifty shall rally upwards. But again, as I always say that go for small profits in this volatile market. Keep your stop loss tight and don't lose your hard-earned capital. Now let's move to the swing trading stock analysis part. Our stock to watch today is Ashok Leyland Limited. Let's break down why this stock is on our radar. Ashok Leyland Limited is presently engaged in manufacture and sale of commercial vehicles. The company manufacture engines for industrial and marine applications, forgings and casting. Its products include buses, trucks, engines, defense and special vehicles. From 18-seater to 82-seater double-decker buses, from 7.5 ton to 49 ton in haulage vehicles, from numerous special application vehicles to diesel engines for industrial, marine and genset applications, Ashok Leyland offers a range of products. The company is the flagship of the Hinduja Group. Headquartered in Chennai, India, Ashok Leyland's manufacturing footprint spreads across the globe with 9 plants, including one each at Great Britain and Ras Al Khaimah, UAE. The stock is trading above both 20 and 50 EMA, which is a good sign. Momentum indicator, relative strength index, RSI, is above 60 which implies strength in near term. On weekly time frame, the MAC is above the signal line, suggesting positive momentum. On the fundamental side, Ashok Leyland Limited ने वित्तीय वर्ष 2024 में 45,931 करोड़ राजस्व और 2,679 करोड़ रुपए का शुद्ध लाभ दर्ज किया है. इससे हमें इसके संभावित ऊपर की ओर बढ़ने का भरोसा मिलता है. For this trade, we are looking at a buy zone around 226 to 230, with a target price of 250 and a stop loss set at 210. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your questions and stock picks in the comments below, and I might feature them in the next video. Remember, this is not a stock recommendation video. Trading carries risks, and it's important to do your own research and stay disciplined. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.